मौसम छे होई गई रात मन भूलो बदी बात प्रेमनी आ मौसम छे अब आओ मेरे पास रह जाओ मेरे साथ प्रेमनी आ मौसम छे मिल जाए मुझको अगर साथ तेरा तो भूलूं मैं सारा गाड़ा तारा छबीला तारा रंगीला तारा रंग बेर जुए तारी बात गाड़ा तारा ओए छबीला तारा ओए रंगीला तारा रंग बेर जुए तारी बात रे गाड़ा तारा ओए छबीला तारा ओए रंगीला तारा रंग बेर जुए तारी बात रे छुप के तुम्हें देखा मैं करूं सारी सारी रात
छुप छुप के मुझे देखा तू कर सारी सारी रात
मिल जाए मुझको अगर साथ तेरा तो भूलूं मैं सारा जहां गाड़ा तारा छबीला तारा रंगीला तारा रंग बेर जुए तारी बात गाड़ा तारा ओए छबीला तारा ओए रंगीला तारा रंग बेर जुए तारी बात रे गाड़ा तारा ओए छबीला तारा ओए रंगीला तारा रंग बेर जुए तारी बात रे
మీకు అసలు 1 2 3 కూడా రావా? వెరీ గుడ్ ఓకే గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ సారీ గర్ల్స్ 2 Group of 4. Now this is last. Group of 3. Group of 2. Okay, the winners are Jeril and Devraj. Come on, guys. Wait. Come on, ladies. You guys can come and give the gift. Okay, our dear Anil is going to play or is going to dance on Sairat song, right? Okay.
Come on, guys, come on! माझं गाणं ऐकलं नाही तुम्ही. ह्याच्यावर छान गाणं गातो.
Okay, next. Be ready, guys. That was really very nice. All the way from Maharashtra. Okay. Okay, we have another song coming up. Nelson.
చల్
అవునా?
ఎంత ఊపుతారో షమీ కపూర్ లోపల నుంచి బయటకు వస్తాడు ఇప్పుడు.
Oh. అట్లయితే మనం వెయిట్ చేసి చూడాలి కదా.
వెయిట్ అండ్ సీ, వాచ్ అండ్ సీ.
Okay, guys, wait and see. Oh. awesome. Awesome కాదా? Awesome కాదా? అసలు మీరు డాన్స్ చేయట్లేదు, చప్పట్లు కొట్టట్లేదు, ఏం చేస్తున్నారు ఇక్కడ? దేనికి వచ్చారు? ఓకే సన్.
There is a special guy today on the uniform. You can see him in the uniform.
Danish sir, if you're around, please come on to the stage.
He is like a selfie guy.
అసలు నాకు ఏం చెప్పారు తెలుసా, ఒక చిన్న పిల్లడు వచ్చి స్కూల్ నుంచి అన్నాడు.
Come on.
He has sacrificed his dressing just to show that he is from school. We just need to appreciate that. Great.
Give a big round of
Lights off. Photographers, lights off.
Nirmala, without our memories, how can we go further?
We came all the way.
Let's count 2, 1, go.
The journey of our batch of 1996 to 1997, Railway High School is a story of friendship, laughter, and memories from home. It all began at a familiar place, our tryout. Just a few friends, 6 of us, gathered one evening in the middle of May. Amidst the aroma of chai and endless laughter, someone said, "Hey, why don't we have a reunion?" That's where it all started. From that small idea in June, our first meet, within a few weeks, that small idea grew wings. On June 22nd, at the Railway Museum, the first real meet took place. 35 old friends came together, some with laughter, some with tears, but all with hearts full of joy. Seeing each other after so many years felt like time had stopped. The same smiles, the same teasing, the same warmth, as if school life had just ended yesterday. That was the second meet, and the spark had now become a flame. As the weeks passed, the excitement only grew stronger. By July, more and more names were added to the list. People were reconnecting, old friends finding each other through calls and messages. It was time to get organized. That's when the core committee team was formed, bringing together members from all 3 sections of our batch. Each person took up a role, each heart carrying the same mission to make this reunion truly unforgettable.
C section.
1996-97 batch. Then came perhaps the most heartfelt mission, inviting our beloved teachers. The teachers' invitation team took the lead, reaching out to the wonderful souls who guided us, taught us, and shaped who we are today. Their smiles, their blessings, and their presence brought back the essence of our school days. To see them again. And then there was the marketing team, the creative minds and enthusiastic souls. They were everywhere, sharing updates, spreading excitement, creating posters, countdowns, messages, and stories. They kept the fire burning bright, turning every chat into a celebration, every plan into a movement. They made sure the reunion spirit reached every corner, so that when the big day came, hearts would already be full of joy and anticipation. No reunion is complete without music, laughter, and joy. The cultural team brought the magic. They made this reunion more than a meet. They made it a celebration of friendship, nostalgia, and gratitude. From songs to games to emotional speeches, every became a treasure. They reminded us all to cherish and celebrate not just the event, but the beautiful journey we all share. Behind every great event, there's a silent, hard-working force. The organizing team was that force, planning, coordinating, aligning every detail. From managing the venue and sound system to ensuring every guest felt welcomed, they worked tirelessly to make sure everything ran perfectly. Their teamwork and dedication made the reunion smooth, vibrant, and full of heart.
This is just not a peanuts, it's not just an overnight work, it is a very, very huge hard work. There's a time where people have to sacrifice a lot of things, which our core team has done. So today we wanted to just encourage them and give a small felicitation, okay? We want to just, it was like randomly picked up some people who are really excited or who are into, okay? I'd like to call from C-section, Jyoti. I have to really put a big round of applause for this guy. This guy has worked hard, very, very hard, day and night, for everything. Come on, big round of applause for Vijay. And from me, the one and only guy, all-rounder.
Nirmala from Hyderabad. Oh, give her a big round of applause.
We request Parshuram, can you please come and give us gifts?
Cultural team, I request Yoshna Manjali Patra to come on dais and Sapna. Wagmore. Hey, खाना खा रहे क्या? इनको छोड़ के. What is this Wagmore?
अन्य सेक्शन में जो
Guys. No, you'll stay. Yeah, I'll not take long, but we really have to, thank the core team from bottom of our heart. This day was not possible, and after 28 years, if we really have met, it is only because of their hard work. And it is not just one day or, they have taken about 4 months, and every day they have at least given their 4 to 5 5 hours of the day, and they're dedicated. Even we have to thank their spouses because they were also pillars of support. Without their help, we could not make that happen, and they could not give us so much of time. I really thank you so much for all your effort. Thank you so much. Again, this should not be the last, and it is only the beginning. So let's all keep in touch and stay together. Thank you so much. Hello everyone. I'm not hearing anything. Welcome to our fun game hour. We are going to have lots of laughter, excitement, and maybe a few funny failures. But that's all part of the game. So get ready to play, cheer, and enjoy. Let's begin our first game. That is lemon and spoon. Who wants to participate? Please come here. Please. Come. First girls. You have to walk. It's not a catwalk. The faster you walk, the faster you'll be the one. Only one round. 2, 3. Come on, Munawar. Come on, guys. First is Meenakshi. Second is Munawar. One more set of girls will call. Okay. So one more set of girls. 2, 3, go. Who is first?
ఆరింటికోసారి ఏడింటికోసారి పావు తక్కువ 10ంటికోసారి పడుకుంటే ఓసారి మెలుకుంటే ఓసారి ఏమి తోసక కూసుంటే ఓసారి ఏళ్ళు నొక్కుతుంటే ఓసారి కాలు తొక్కుతుంటే ఓసారి నువ్వు పక్కనుంటే బ్రతొక్కసారి వచ్చుండాయి ఫీలింగ్స్ వచ్చి చంపేస్తుండాయి ఫీలింగ్స్ వచ్చుండాయి ఫీలింగ్స్ వచ్చి చంపేస్తుండాయి ఫీలింగ్స్
చీ అంటే ఓసారి పో అంటే ఓసారి చాటు మాటుగా చెయ్యంటే ఓసారి పూలడితే ఓసారి నగలడితే ఓసారి సాదా సీదా చీర కట్టెత్తే ఓసారి ఒళ్ళు ఇసుకుంటే ఓసారి ఇల్లు చిమ్ముతుంటే ఓసారి నీళ్లు తోడుతుంటే నిజంగా ఓసారి వచ్చుండాయి ఫీలింగ్స్ వచ్చి చంపేస్తుండాయి ఫీలింగ్స్ వచ్చుండాయి ఫీలింగ్స్ వచ్చి చంపేస్తుండాయి ఫీలింగ్స్ डांस करोगे डांस बताना
गोली न चलाए Mr. Surya Narayana Master wants to talk to you all.
Get on
मस्ती का दीवाना तो झूमो तो नाचो आओ मेरे साथ नाचो गाओ I am a disco dancer 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 నన్ను గాని భారత్ లాటిల్లు అన్న దిగిందంటే టించక్ టించక్ దుంకాలా డీజే టిల్లు పేరు విన్ని స్టైల్ వేరు సోకేమో హీరో తీరు కొట్టది తిన్ మారు డీజే టిల్లు కొట్టు కొట్టు డీజే టిల్లు కొట్టు బెస్సర పెంచి కొట్టు బాక్సులు వలిగేటట్టు డీజే టిల్లు పేరు విన్ని సౌండ్ వేరు పెక్కేసి కొట్టిందంటే దత్తరిల్లు డాన్స్ ఫ్లోరు పళ్ళొట్టుకొచ్చిందో పిల్లదో పిల్లదో రాను రానంటూనే చిన్నదో చిన్నదో రాములోరి గుడికొచ్చే చిన్నదో చిన్నదే ఏం పండు తీసుకొచ్చిందిరా అబ్బాయి அப்படி போடு 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 அசத்து போடு போடு இழுத்து போடு கையால் நீ துடிக்கிறியே அழுகிய வயசுல நீ படுத்திரியே மெதுவா என் கழுத்துல நீ மணத்திரியே இது அதுதான் உன்னோட கண்ணங்கடை கண்ணங்கடி நான் கடிக்க என்னோட காது பக்கம் செல்லங்கடி நீ கடிக்க இந்த வயசு போதுமா இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் வேணுமா இந்த வயசு போதுமா இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் வேணுமா
அப்படி போடு 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 அதப்படி போடு கண்ணால இப்படி
चलने लगती है मौसम बदल जाता है और उसकी पायल तो ऐसी बजती है कि जैसे हम
खान दिसती छान लाखात छान नजरेचा बाण तीर कमान मारी ती चक्रा तुझा गणातला इकडून तिकडं मारी ती चक्रा चक्रा नकुरा चक्रा नकुरा चक्रा नकुरा चक्रा नकुरा चक्रा शांताबाई 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 अगं शांताबाई ये जलवा माहींचा हलवा जीवाचा कालवा मनाला बोलवा मामाला बोलवा कालवा हलवा कालवा हलवा कालवा हलवा कालवा MTV ಸುಬ್ಬುಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿಗೆ ಪರಿವೋಳು ಪರಿವೋಳು CTV ಮಾತಗೌಡ್ರಿಗೆ ಪರಿವೋಳು ಪರಿವೋಳು shuts down.
Enjoyed a lot with our friends, sharing all your moments, sharing all your past, sharing all your memories, and your smiles, cries, and laughs. Now it's time to wind up.
You all enjoyed the event from start to end, and as we are nearing to conclude this day, start with I will take a moment to thank God for giving us all good health, and we are all safe. Even we have lost so many friends, our classmates and teachers, but we all are safe and sound till this day. So I take a moment to thank God first, and then to you all who made this happen. Moving forward, then as we saw the AB, the core team who started this seed with an idea like why don't we start, why don't we have a reunion, and as they started planning, they included one by one and teams together, and they found a team while the core team kept everything moving. There's another team that made sure every detail was possible, and that was our finance committee. Moses, Joe, Chaya, David, A. Nirmala and Nelson. Thank you for your hard work, guys. What you have done behind the scenes. You handled every detail with such care, from collecting the contributions to managing expenses so that we don't cross our budgets, and made sure everything ran smoothly and transparently. Your dedication made it possible for all of us to sit back, relax, and enjoy this wonderful reunion with us without any single worries. We truly appreciate your honesty, your teamwork, and the time you invested to make this event such a success. Though you have a professional and personal commitments, but you dedicated your time. We all thank you for that. A big round of applause for the finance committee. Moving forward, while the finance team kept all things on track, there was one more dream which were rehearsing and putting their energy high and the smiles wide on our faces. That is our cultural team. A special mention to Anthony for generously letting us use his dance studio and choreographing the performances. And to Yoshna, who despite being herself a dance teacher, who dedicated her time, and even with her personal professional commitment, she has committed her time and inspired many people to join the cultural activities. Also, there were few who were not dancers, but still they got inspired, like Sapna, Veena, Nalini, Florence, and many others. And lately, Vai Babu, who himself is a dancer, who added the charm and energy to the team. So, we all thank you for your creativity, hard work, and enthusiasm. You brought joy and life into this reunion. A big round of applause for the cultural team. And we have the support team who are also behind the scenes working for the coordination. I will read out the names. Jyotsna Shetty, D. Nirmala, Prabhudas, Firdos Karimi, Renuka, and Mary Esther. We heartfully thank you all for making this event successful. Thank you one and all. Have a great day.
For the committee and our friends.
Hello all, you all can hear me? 30 years we have been waiting for this. Can you hear me now? Yes. I'm Kamal and I'm so glad to see all the faces here. And I know most of them have put on weight, including me. I couldn't recognize, but thank you so much. That was nice. After 28 years I'm meeting. I had been to my class, sitting in my class with Chaya and Josna. I was little emotional seeing my class. I've never been to that after 28 years. Coming to Hubli, meeting you all, it's been wonderful. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank our core committee, especially Martin. I really appreciate his patience. So many times he would call me. Many times I could not reach his call, but still he was calling me continuously. I'm so sorry if at all I've disappointed him. But I would like to take this opportunity to thank him for his hard work in this. And Vijay, Nelson, and I never knew Anthony would dance so well. In class he never danced, never spoke to us. And it is hard to make girls dance. Husbands are tired of it, but Anthony did that. So we need to clap for him. Can you please? And Prashant, where are you? I can't see you with the class. Can you wave your hand? Thank you for all the hard work you have put in. This was an incredible event and thank you so much for all of you being here, and it was really nice. I could see all the lovely faces, dancers. So nice it was. Let's not burn the bridges. Let's continue this event. I know this is a start. We are going to come back again. Let's keep this touch. And this is the first time I'm seeing all the A, B, C section being together and doing it. That was very nice. So once again, thank you all, thank you all, thank you all, and especially the core committee, Martin, Vijay, Prashant, Nelson, Chaya, and if at all I missed anyone's name, it was not Joe, Shaheen for hosting the event. If I missed anyone's name, please pardon me. Thank you all, it was very nice seeing you. Thank you so much.
Everybody, good evening. Very nice to see my friends so happily enjoying all day. Oh my God. You left your... Yes? Already dance, all the joint have been broken. Still you won't dance. Okay, then... First of all, I want to thank my friends who have supported for this reunion. Really, it is not a word they have supported. It is a 4-month full time and effort they have put in this. Really, nobody can do that. The friends who have done this, really heads off. Okay. Nelson, Ravi, and Anthony, Martin, Chaya. Sorry, I am not telling all the names. I will take more time, I think so. So, and again, I think so you enjoyed. Real or no? You enjoyed, no? No sound? Yes. It should not be an end. Again, we should gather again, once again. Yes, Sila? You enjoyed. So, we'll take time, we'll come again and join. But last, not a least, I want to sing a song. Okay? If it is mistaken, please. Don't, teacher. No. Somebody will tell, ये क्या रे, इन्हें क्या गाता रे, इन्हें क्या किए stupid जैसा खाया करके नहीं बोलना. इसीलिए माफी पहले ही. ओके? चलते चलते मिट जाए रस्ते, जिंदगी यूं गुजरती रहे, खुशी हो या गम बदलेंगे ना हम. Thank you, bros. You are cheering. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
மைக் புடுங்கத்தாடா இங்க வந்து.
இல்லம்மா.
It was wonderful.
Thank you. இன்னும் இல்ல போதுமா போதும்.
Thank you.
Thank you, Meenakshi. Thank you for this cheerful thing. Sorry, I want to give Guru Vanakam for Anthony, please. Let's cheer for Anthony. For whole dance group, nobody can do this much. I don't know. The dance class, the costumes, the dandias, whatever. He's doing like something. I am like some magic. One nimsham. He's that man. Show your face, man. Put your hands together, guys. Let's show it for Anthony. Meenakshi, thank you for the entertainment. Okay, I just want to thank all my friends, whoever has contributed. We never asked you. Sometimes I irritated by calling, but that's part of the thing. I thank everyone who has contributed individually and made this reunion a grand success. Let's hear for RHS. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! East or West, RHS is the best. Now I request anyone, whoever wants to share their feelings over here, you can come and share your feelings here. If you want to talk anything about your friendship.
See, from C-section, Sachin wants to speak something.
From C-section?
See, Sachin.
I request Sachin from C division. Sachin, you want to talk something?
Who have come from this. The one is YBJ from Qatar and Suraj from South Africa to attend this reunion. I request Suraj to speak a few words about the reunion.
Hello guys, good evening. My name is Suraj. I'm from C-section. I'm proud of C-section. Okay. Yeah. I'm working in South Africa. And I've been invited for this function. What to say? I don't have words. I've enjoyed a lot. And regarding the dancers, regarding the organizers, I don't want to mention the names because they are C-section, A-section and B-section. Most of them have performed. And okay, that's it. I don't have words. And thank you very much.
Now I request if anyone is interested to come here and want to share the days, please come. Parshuram. I request Mr. Parshuram to come on the dais and share a few words. Please do come.
Thank you, Chaya. Thank you all. I don't have words to say, but I felt really happy. The reason why I'm here because of the effort that these people have put. Initially, I had no plans to visit here, but seeing the effort that they have put, it really made me. And I would have regretted if I didn't come here today. I saw that, what I would have missed. Yes. Yeah. So I thank you and for all the support that they have given and for this invitation. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Golden opportunity, please do come. Again, you will not have such a good golden opportunity. Please do come, dear friends. David, you want to share a few words?
From endless phone calls and messages to planning, coordination and decorations, our organization committee members have put in their time, energy and hearts to bring all of us together today. Their dedication and teamwork have turned a simple idea into a wonderful celebration filled with laughter, love. Truly, They are the reason we cloud relive our school memories to joyful. Now, I invite our respected Mr. Nelson Kumar, the President of the committee member, B. Vijay Kumar, the Secretary, and R. Moses, the Treasurer, to kindly come forward. I kindly request all the 3 persons to be on the dais. Mr. B. Vijay Kumar, I kindly request to please come on the stage. B. Vijay Kumar. And R. Moses, the Treasurer, to kindly come forward. Members, thank you for your leadership, commitment, and the countless hours you have spent to make the event a grand success. We are truly proud and grateful. On behalf of everyone present here, we say thank you for bringing us all back home. With that, let's cherish these last few minutes together, heart full of gratitude and memories that will last a lifetime. Thank you, one and all. I kindly request 5% to come on the stage to facilitate President, Secretary, and Treasurer of 1997 batch. I call up the name. Please come forward on the stage. Name be call. Mr. Anthony, please come on the stage. Martin Luther, Vishal Bansode, Suraj, and Velu Murugan. Please come on the stage. From these 3 months, I kindly request, it will be a grand success. Thank to 3 persons who has been success this program today. Whether it was singing, dancing skits or other stage events, his energy, creativity brought life to every occasion. He did not just participate, his pride come to express ourselves. That is great. Hey, come on, dude. Come on, thank you, thank you. I supported much. I kindly request to come on a stage Srimati Chaya Yama Jyoti, A. Nirmala and E. Nirmala. I kindly request to please come on the stage. It's E. Now before she was D, now she is E. Ida Nirmala. To facilitate these people, I please call Srimati Shaheen and Nerala Sunita. I kindly request to please come forward and facilitate these people. Thank you. Shaheen, please come. Please appreciate them. symbol of courage and service. He has truly made us all proud. His journey remains as the real hero. Don't wear caps, they wear uniforms and guard our country day and night. On behalf of Railway High School and all our classmates, we take immense pride in facilitating Subedar Mr. Velu Murugan, Abdul Munaf, and there is another person called Ravindra. I kindly request Mr. Ravindra to please come on the stage. All the way back to the roots to the school where our journey begins. I kindly request Mr. Suraj Kumar and Y. Vijay Kumar to please come on the stage. I kindly request Suraj Kumar and Y. Vijay Kumar to be on the stage, please.
I humbly request, please take your seat.
Time may move on, but some memories never fade. These pictures take us back to the days when life was simple, hearts were young, and every moment felt magical. The classrooms filled with laughter, the playground echoing with shouts of joy, the friendships that grew with every passing day. They're all here, captured in these frames. We see faces full of dreams, smiles full of innocence, and eyes shining with hope. Those were the days we learned, we played, we laughed until our stomachs hurt, and sometimes we cried together too. Each photo tells a story of friendship, of mischief, of love, and of a time that will always live in our hearts. Though years have passed, the memories of 1996 to 1997 still feel as fresh as yesterday. This reunion isn't just a meeting, it's a chance to relive those moments again. So as we look back at these precious photos, let's smile, let's laugh, and let's remember, buon appetito. We may have grown up, but the child inside us, we didn't realize then that those were the golden days, the ones we'd look back on with misty eyes and smiling hearts. Today, as we gather once again, these pictures remind us how far we've come, yet how deeply connected we still are. The 1996 to 1997 batch of Railway High School, a family bound by time, laughter, and love. These aren't just old photos. They are pieces of our soul, memories to cherish forever.
Thank you guys. I hope you like. We are telling this on and offly to you. This reunion made success only because of these guys. And there are few supporters also. Please don't mind. To see you all on one under roof. Hope all enjoyed the day. So everybody, all are happy today? Yes. So no one is nervous. Ending. So we have to close this session. I'll just pass on the mic to each and everyone.
On behalf of core team, I really heartfully I'm unable to speak. Sorry. Thank you all for making this event very grand successfully. With all your contribution, with all your support, we are nowhere. Okay, and it's all because of you people only. Okay, if anything we have hurted or we have done any mistake, we are very sorry, and thank you for all being here. Okay, this is just start. Okay. Hip hip.
I know you guys are like really tired, so didn't want to take much time. But I'm really very, very thankful to all of you all, each by name, for making this day so grand success. God bless you all.
Hello. Thank you everyone. Simple one.
I love you guys. I miss you.
Thank you very much. A call away, you all have come here. We are really grateful and thankful to each one who is present here and who is not there also. They have contributed to our event, and we are thankful to all the people who are in abroad, and we miss you all guys. Please make it next time when it happens. For sure, we want you all to join us, and I thank especially my class girls who are always 100% in anything they have. I have spoken to them or called them or messaged them. I'm really thankful and feel blessed. God bless you all, and as well as my class guys also. Thank you so much. Bye.
Thank you guys. Good morning guys. एक ही मैसेज वाला देखते हैं सब लोग. Thank you one and all. That's all.
Good evening everyone. Being together is a happiness, and sharing the joys is a blessing and a boon to all of us. I know this is not an easy task, but the core team has made it possible for all of us. And one thing I really do appreciate, that all of you have come from so long distance, whether you are near, local or anywhere, but you all have come and made this event very, very, very successful. A wholehearted thankful for you all. And let this rapport keep on continuing, and the appreciation is not for the core team, it's for one and everyone of the RSH 96 and 97 batch. Thank you, friends.
Thank you. I appreciate the AV team. You guys have done really a great job, especially the photographers. I mean, I must have done more than 1,000 events till now, but I've not seen such a commitment, taking each and every capture. Truly, you guys made our day, and we believe the pictures will come very nice. And also, thank you so much, LED wall guy, DJ Wala Babu, और कौन है? Thank you so much for everything.
सबके साथ
चलते चलते मेरे गीत याद रखना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना। चलते चलते मेरे गीत याद रखना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना। रोते हंसते बस यूं ही तुम गुनगुनाते रहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना। प्यार करते करते हम तुम कहीं खो जाएंगे, इन्हीं बहारों के आंचल में तन के सो जाएंगे। प्यार करते करते हम तुम कहीं खो जाएंगे, इन्हीं बहारों के आंचल में तन के सो जाएंगे। सपनों की फिर भी तुम यूं ही सजाते रहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना। चलते चलते मेरे ये गीत याद रखना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना।
Hello guys, we'll meet you soon. Thank you everybody. Team RHS, goodbye.